Hey everybody, it's Jared Livingston here at Big Pine Sports. I'm here with Race from K&T Performance. How are you, buddy?
Good, buddy. How are you?
So, as you guys know, these guys know how to make massive power. They've got history of winning all over the world. From their sand drag bikes, they're huge in the two-stroke world, obviously big in the side-by-side scene now as they're kind of taking over. I know you guys are excited about a new engine here. Tell us a little bit about your vision for it, what you've got coming, and what we can expect from K&T Performance.
We got a KAWASAKI called us to do a turbo kit for it. We're doing a 2860 turbo, pump gas, 6 to 7, 8 pounds of boost. We're hoping to see 170 to 175 horse. Just a real reliable kit. Should be great.
So with your history in the turbo scene, you guys are planning this thing to have some good performance. It's going to be very reliable.
Yep.
What are we going to need to do on the ECU side of life, or how's that going to take place?
We're hoping that we can reflash the stock ECU, and then obviously it'll come with a full fuel system and clutch kit, all that kind of stuff to make it work right.
Absolutely. So are we going to be, once we put this kit on, are we going to be able to use this in all different types of terrain? The slow speed, you know, we get asked a lot. Once those turbos are on there, how does that affect the slow speed, the rock crawling, you know, the mountain riding?
It'll still have really good throttle response, drivability. It'll spool quick, smooth power curve. So I mean, it shouldn't be anything different other than just a lot more power.
And we all love a lot more power, right?
Yeah.
I mean, no matter what you guys do, no matter where you ride, big into the sand dunes. I mean, he's a king right here of the sand dunes, and I mean, being able to be out there in the side-by-sides, it's great to have that additional boost for sure.
Yep.
Time frame, what are we looking at? So right now we're the first part of October 2019. The car just got released. What kind of time frame we looking?
We're hoping to have something by the end of the year. If it's sooner, we just want to make sure all the testing is perfect. Everything's 100%. You know, so by the end of the year,
User-friendly and all
make
that.
Sure everything's good to go.
We're going to have a lot more information for you. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com, or you can check out Race at
K&T Performance.
K&T Performance. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. You guys are going to want to check this out. Camera lady, do a walk around, and we all hope you have a great day. We're having a good one here in California.
I've never seen, everybody was like, look at Joe.